Hello and welcome. Anyone managing multiple SAP systems knows the challenge. Printers must be created, configured, and monitored across several systems. Changes often have to be made multiple times and quickly lead to inconsistencies. This is exactly where the OMS panel from Suchy MIPS comes in. With our web based OMS system, you manage multiple SAP systems centrally through a single interface. This ensures that printers are created and configured consistently across all systems. We support both modern S/4HANA systems and classic NetWeaver environments, regardless of whether they run on Linux or Windows. In the printer overview, you can see immediately which systems are connected, which printers are installed, and which device type is being used. The status of each printer is also visible at a glance. A traffic light system shows whether a printer is online, offline, or blocked. The status filter allows you to specifically display problematic devices. In the options menu, you configure all relevant printer settings centrally in one place. This includes, for example, location, paper formats, trays, or print modes. Depending on the device type, additional functions are available, such as stapling or punching. Once the settings are made, they can be transferred to all selected SAP systems with a single click. A separate login to SAP is not required for this. Many printer management tasks can be significantly simplified with the OMS panel. Let's take a look at a typical everyday example. At one location, a manufacturer's printers are being replaced by new devices. In the past, this meant adjusting each affected printer on every SAP system individually. With the OMS panel, we proceed much more efficiently. To do this, we simply switch to the device type management. These are loaded directly from SAP. We add the new printer type to the favorites list. This improves clarity and simplifies later configurations. Then, we use the filters to select all affected printers. Instead of searching for each printer individually, we can assign the new device type to all selected devices at once with just a few clicks. The settings can also be easily transferred to multiple printers. Now the changes are rolled out to the desired SAP systems. And all of this quickly, consistently, and across all systems. Integrating new printers is just as easy. First, the physical printer is created on the Ben server. This only requires a few details. This is then assigned to a new virtual printer. If we now display all printers without a device type, we can configure them and then transfer them to all SAP systems. This ensures that the printers are set up identically on all systems. In daily operations, our OMS panel also helps to identify and resolve problems faster. Imagine a user is waiting for a printout that hasn't been issued. Using the SAP job ID, we can quickly find the corresponding print job in the spool overview. A look at the printer status reveals the cause. The physical printer is currently offline. Instead of adjusting the workflow in SAP or creating a new job, we simply select an alternative target printer. The printout can then be triggered again. This is also reported back to SAP. The OMS panel reduces administrative efforts, creates transparency, and ensures a consistent printer landscape across all SAP systems. Have we piqued your interest? Then please feel free to contact us for a personal live presentation.